Welcome to our channel, where we make understanding health insurance easy and straightforward. Welcome to our channel, where we make understanding health insurance easy and straightforward. Choosing the right health insurance plan can feel overwhelming with so many options, but breaking it down step by step can simplify your decision. First, know your needs. Consider your health history, the medications you take regularly, and how often you visit the doctor. This forms the baseline for what coverage you need. Next, identify the types of plans available, such as health maintenance organizations, HMO, preferred provider organizations, PPO, exclusive provider organizations, EPO, or point-of-service POS plans. Each comes with different network restrictions and costs. Then, focus on costs beyond just the premium. Look at deductibles, copays, co-insurance, and out-of-pocket maximums to understand your potential financial responsibility. Check the coverage details, including which services are covered, like prescription drugs, emergency care, maternity services, mental health support, and specialist visits. Also, verify if your preferred doctors and hospitals are in network, as staying in network usually means lower costs and smoother access. Investigate additional benefits or perks that might be important to you, such as telemedicine options, wellness programs, or discounts on gym memberships. Use comparison tools available online to see side-by-side details of different plans. Write down questions or concerns to discuss with insurance agents or customer service. Finally, consider your budget and prioritize coverage aspects, remembering that the cheapest monthly premium isn't always the best deal if it leaves you with hefty costs later. By following these simple steps, you turn a complicated choice into a manageable task that suits your health and wallet. Don't rush. Take your time to review and choose wisely.